Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Tech Jake, back again with something professional, powerful, and definitely designed for the pros out there. And if you're someone who works with high-resolution scans, large format media, or just needs that archival-level clarity, this one's going to be for you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Epson Expression 13000 XL Pro, a flatbed scanner that goes beyond the basics. This isn't your everyday home office scanner. This thing is a beast. It's built for creative professionals, graphic designers, and photographers who demand precision and detail at scale. Let's get into why the 13000 XL Pro is still a top choice for pros, even in 2025. First up, the design. It's big, and it needs to be. This is an A3 size scanner, which means it supports media up to 11.7 by 16.5 inches. The build quality feels premium, rugged, and professional. It's got a sleek black matte finish, and it looks like it belongs in a creative studio. Alright, let's talk resolution, and this is where it gets serious. You're looking at 2400 by 4800 DPI optical resolution. That means your scans come out ultra-sharp, with incredible detail and color depth. Whether you're scanning old photographs, film, large artwork, or illustrations, the Epson 13000 XL Pro delivers consistent, high-fidelity results. The colors? Accurate. The sharpness? Professional grade. No weird artifacts, no pixelation. And it doesn't stop at hardware. The included LaserSoft Imaging Silverfast AI software gives you serious control over your scans. We're talking multi-exposure, dust and scratch removal, batch scanning, and advanced color correction. This is pro-level stuff. If you're someone working on restoration projects or creating digital archives, this software-hardware combo is hard to beat. Connectivity is simple and reliable. The scanner uses USB 2.0, which is a bit dated, but for large-format flatbeds like this, it's still solid, especially considering the data sizes of ultra-high-res scans. And while it's not the fastest interface in 2025, it's rock-stable. The overall workflow is smooth. Epson software is intuitive, especially if you've worked with flatbeds before. There's also a transparency unit option for scanning negatives and slides, if that's your thing. Let's be real, this scanner is not for everyone. If you just need to scan documents here and there, this is overkill. But if you're a digital artist, a film photographer, a museum archivist, or anyone needing large-format, high-resolution scans, this is absolutely worth the investment. It's also used a lot in schools, universities, government agencies, and media houses. So yeah, definitely professional grade. The Epson Expression 13000 XL Pro is all about fidelity, precision, and consistency. It doesn't try to be flashy, it just does one job, and it does it exceptionally well. So if you're looking for a professional-grade flatbed scanner that can handle large-format media with impeccable detail and color accuracy, then this one's for you. And hey, if you want to buy the Epson Expression 13000 XL Pro flatbed scanner, A3 2400 DPI x 4800 DPI, USB 2.0, then please visit the link provided in the description below. It helps support the channel and brings more tech like this right to your screen. Don't forget to like, sub if you haven't already, and drop a comment if you've used this scanner or if you have any questions.